Hey everybody, it's Mindy and I'm super excited. Okay, I'm super excited to open this. I've only seen one person unbox this and I didn't watch it. I didn't want to see it. I wanted my experience, my reaction to be mine, right? But I'm stoked. It's a new release. I've had it for a little while. I was so busy over the weekend. It came like on Friday. And then the weekend was busy, and then my birthday, and I just haven't had time to record. But it's here, and I'm so excited to see it. So excited. Okay, Diamond Art Club. Beautiful box. It's a big one. Yes, it's a square drill. Look, square. We have the blue strip there means it's a square, and I can hardly wait. You guys probably know what it is already. Like I said, it is a new release. And yeah. Okay, I'm not even gonna show you the picture yet. No, the picture doesn't even do it justice. We're not even gonna worry about the picture. Toolkit. For a Diamond Art Club square toolkit. Comes in the baggie. You get a boat, clear boat. You get some wax, 2 waxes. Get squishy. It's already squished. Look, it is no longer round. It is oblong. We have an oblong squishy to go on your round pen. We have a 4-placer. We have a bunch of bags. I don't know how many bags I have now. There's bags everywhere. Look, and I have I have a bent tweezer cap. Oh my gosh. Go back. And look, then he's also got a thing on that. Never mind. Okay, here's the tweezers. They're nice and pointy. I don't care about the tweezers. Look it, he's elongated too. What happened? How come my round stuff is all... Anyhow, I don't care. It's a toolkit. I don't care. Okay, this is what I care about. All right, so it's big. I'll tell you that. It's a 70 centimeter by 93 centimeter. I've really got to figure out a really cool way to frame these guys. Have a piece of, I don't know, cardboard? Yeah, if you guys have a nifty way to frame these, you can get a big poster frame, but the poster frame that I can find isn't the right size. It's like too big on one end and a little too short the other way. I don't know. Let me know what you find. All right. Soft canvas. Tarpaulin lays flat. I'm rolling it backwards to get everything out of it. The drills are inside. My sticker sheet is inside. And, okay. Let me just tell you, this is Chuck Pinson. It's Chuck Pinson. And I have seen this one as a print. It was one of the prints that he sent for our giveaway. I gave away to somebody, I don't know. But here we go. All right, you probably already know what it is. It's Honey Drip Farm. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Look at that. Whoa. Brown, rust, yellow, orange, some green. I mean, that's what I expected it to be. That's what I expected the colors to be, right? Okay, here's an information sheet. All kinds of good information in there. There's a code in here. If you don't have a code, if you've never purchased from Diamond Art Club before, use Mindy15, or you can. I'm not telling you you have to. You can use Mindy15 to save 15% on your first purchase. Then you'll have a code in here, code in your box, code on the canvas. There are codes everywhere after that. But that first time, you can use Mindy15. Go ahead, feel free. All right. It's gorgeous. Honey Drip Farm. Here's our sheet, our sticker sheet. It is 27.6 inches by 36.4 inches. See, the frame I can find is a 40. So it's going to be too big on the one side, but then I think it's only like 27. So you'd have to lose some. I don't know about framing. I'm still in a quandary about framing the big ones. I got to figure something out. Here's our stickers. They're all pre-cut. You can peel them off, put them on your containers. 58 colors. That's a lot. That's a lot of yellow, gold, orange, and brown, isn't it? How many yellow, browns, oranges, golds are there? A lot, apparently. There. Now you can see them better. Let's focus, focus. Got some greens. Here's our ABs. Anything under 150. So we're going to have a yellow. Imagine that. We're going to have a yellow AB in this painting. And white. Cool. Here's the picture. Oh my goodness, you guys. It is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Look at those ducks flying through. Look at the dog out on the dock. There's people canoeing. What else do we have? We got a church. We got ducks in the sky. More ducks in the way in the back there. You can see some. What a pretty place. What a pretty, pretty place. The cabin with the stone chimney. Gorgeous. Weather vane, a silo. I mean, come on. Seriously? You know I loved this one, right? You know it. You know I had to have this. Oh, goodness. So there's our tractor. Look, there's our tractor. It's not a John Deere, though, because it's not green. But a boat down here. Birds. Look at, here's some ducks right here. They're right here. Okay, they all look like boys. They all have green heads. Mallards, they have green heads. They're boys. Where's the girl duckies? Where's the mama duckies? Another boat. Another boat. Oh, it keeps going. You know it's going to keep going. Yeah, they all look like they're boys. Oh, here we go. Here's a girl. There's a girl ducky. She's got a brown head. Yay, we got a girl. Oh, goodness. Look at that barn. Look at that barn. It's gorgeous. Wow, it stands out really well. It's going to be a really pretty barn. All right, keep going. I know you can't see all of this. I'm going to have to zoom you out. But there we go. There's a dog. Look, a dog. There's a pail. Don't know what the pail's for. Look at all the flowers. Look at all the flowers. A little cart here. Isn't that nice? Little cart. That doesn't even show up. It's a plow, actually. It's a plow. I look at the picture on the sticker, it's a plow. An old plow. We have one of these over at the other house sitting out by the road, just, you know, a decoration type thing. Do you know there's a bunny on here? Did you know there's a bunny? That's a bunny. That's a bunny. There's a butterfly. There's all kinds of stuff. What's up here? That's a kitty cat. That's a kitty cat sitting on the railing. And then here's the people out fishing in their boat. The church. It's so pretty. So pretty. Okay, you want to see the whole thing at once? Let's see if we can get you the whole thing. The sun's going down. These guys are out fishing, trying to catch some fish here at the end of the day. Out. Out. In. Out. Do, do, do. Look at it. Look at, there's their fishing basket here. Oh my goodness. I just can't love Chuck Pinson's work any more than I do. Seriously. And we need some like sparklers in the window here. Maybe some sort of sparklers or something. The sun, that would be cool. Look at the reflection on the water. That's why it all looks, I mean, it is sunset. That's why it is all so orangey colored and stuff. It's gorgeous, though. It's beautiful. Oh, my goodness. All right. Yep, there's another one for the books, for the Chuck Pinson gallery. I love the stone chimney. That's beautiful. Okay, well, they put some ABs in the window. Okay, yay, they put some ABs in the window. They put some ABs in this window, too. There's actually ABs around the rock and the chimney. That's interesting. We'll come back and we'll find the ABs, but holy cow. Some people will be like, are you going to open all those? Yeah, I'm going to open all those. I want to see the ABs. This is a bunch of drills. I'm not afraid to open them. Look. Honey Drip Farm on the outside. I'll get them all back in this bag. Yep. So, let's see what we have. All right. Let's just spread them out and run them through. Here we go. Multiple bags of each color. So 3776. I'm not going to try to name these colors. They're either tan, brown, orange, rust, yellow. Okay? 3 bags of those. 2 of those. This one's beautiful. This one right here, man, I wish there were more of that one because that one is gorgeous. It's a coral color. That's gorgeous. 3 of these. 2 355s with a green in it. 1 of those. 2, see, multiple bags. 3 402s and a 3830. Okay, just that strand alone right there, look. Rust, orange, yellow. Yeah. Beautiful. Have you ever been out in the country at sunset to see how pretty it is? It really is beautiful. Really is gorgeous. Where's the end of our strip? Come on. Okay, so let's continue. Here was 1. We ended with 3830. 2, 3, 4 of them. All right. Couple 3371s, 2 977s, 2 browns. Okay, now we have some greens. Look, 2 937 green. Frosty, a brown, another green, peach. I mean, they're beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. Okay, haven't found any ABs yet. They got to be coming up here pretty soon. Where's the ABs? Hopefully they're in this strand right here. 3860, 900, that's beautiful. 2 935s. Here's a red. Here's our first AB. Yellow. There's the pretty butter yellow AB with the iridescent coating on there. Beautiful. We'll find out where those go in a minute. Peach, brown, cranberry. See, no surprises here, right? Yellow, orange, green, brown. Okay, we got some gray and a dark gray. Now we get some other colors. We do have some pink flowers and stuff, so we're going to have some pinks, right? That's a bright yellow right there. So here's a pink. That'll go for flowers. There's a purple, flowers. Some more browns, creams, flowers. And here's the white AB. Oh, there's not very many of them. There are not very many white ABs at all. We'll have to see where those go. White is number 2. I haven't seen the 2s. There's quite a few yellows. I haven't seen the 2s though. Blue, purple. Look at that color. There's a color right there. Well, butterfly. The butterfly is that color. I'll bet you. What is it? 996. Yep, it's the butterfly. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Okay, let's see. All right, I'm just going to take you out of this. No, I'm not. I'm going to leave you on here. It's too hard to take you out and put you back in and mangle everything up. But we'll zoom in. We'll take a little flight. Okay. So the 2s. The 2s are the ones I haven't seen. The 2s are the white. But the yellow is everywhere. The yellow, ones. And like I said, in the windows and all around the stones are ones. All right? Ones. Oh, there's some 2s. Oh, that's cool. It's in the duck. You can't see it. Hang on. It's in the duck. The white on the duck is the AB there. Not on this duck, but that duck. That's the 2. No, 2. Yeah, 2 is white. Yeah, 2 is white. 2 is white. Okay, hang on. Let's see, what else we got? What else? More ones here. I'm still looking for 2s. Still looking for 2s. Lots of ones, though. Ones up here. Wow, there's tons and tons of the yellow, you guys. Tons of the yellow. Anybody see any more twos? Besides right here on this duck, there's got to be some more twos, right? More ones, more yellow. More ones up here. I don't know. Maybe that's the only twos are on that one duck, the only white. There's more ones here and here in the silo, all through the silo here. Yeah, I'm not seeing any more of the twos. That's it. This ducky right here. Aw, that's the only ducky. Maybe these duckies. Let's see. Do these duckies have twos? No. Ones. Well, that's it for the ones, for the white. Interesting. Okay. Well, there's lots of yellow. Yellow's all over the place. All right. Okay. That's what we have, you guys. I'm so excited to see it. It is gorgeous. Absolutely, positively gorgeous. Wow. Look at the field in the back. You can see like the corn growing back there. There's more fields back in here. You can tell they're fields of some crop anyhow. But it's gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I'm so happy I have it. When I saw that this was coming out, I was like, oh, yes. It's Honey Drip Farm. Yes. Okay. Now look at this. See how pretty this is in golden and yellow and orange. And the sticker just looks dark. The stickers just don't do them justice, you guys. They really don't. It's beautiful. All right. I got to go put all these away now. I'm really still looking for more twos, but I'm just not finding any more twos other than in that one bird. And it's the girl, okay? The girl gets the twos, yay. All right, I'm gonna stop looking now. I don't think there's any more, really. Okay. Oh, yes, there is. Yes, there is. Bam, right there. The sun, all of this is two. Okay, now I'm feeling pretty good. Like I said, I was thinking of putting some sparkler or something in here, but they've made the whole center of the sun white AB. Yay. Smooth move. Smooth move. I love it. Okay. I might put some more, in some of the other white places maybe, like outline the boat, or I really think like the outline of this duck's wing should be the AB too. He might get white AB. And this duck over here, I might just add those. I mean, why does she get the sparkly? Girls are not supposed to be the flashy bird, right? The boys are supposed to be the flashy ones because they need to attract the girls. The girls are supposed to be more subdued in color. They have to hide with their babies. Just in case you didn't know that. That's why. But we'll see what I do with it. Okay, I'm done talking now because I'm just rambling on and on and on. I hear my ducks. They're talking to me. They're like, oh, you're talking about ducks? Okay, all right. Can you hear them? Did you hear them? The lawnmower's going next door too, but you probably can't hear the ducks. Anyhow. All right, I'm done. I don't want to put it away. I don't want to leave. I got to go. Have a great day. If you get a minute, go out to the country and enjoy a sunset. There's nothing like it. You can see the sun for, miles, and at sunset it's just gorgeous. You don't want to miss it. Don't want to miss it. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Subscribe. Come back. See me again. All right? Okay. I know I'm being really goofy, but I'm so excited. This is what happens when I'm excited. I get goofy. Okay. I'll talk to you later. Bye, everybody.